Here we go again. Clutch.
Nice.
Last time, my brother Andrew almost took down both Mitch and me by himself. Wow, that hurts.
No.
Grabe naman oh. Today, it's round 2. Same course, same rules, but way more on the line. Breakfast. Can two high handicap golfers
Ano? Mahirap kasi.
beat a single-digit player? Who comes out on top?
So dalawa pala yung challenge natin ngayon. Break 80 and break Andrew.
And we're off.
Hindi.
As per the intro, Mitch and I are going up against my brother Andrew, who's a single-digit player. And same rules as last time. Mitch and I get 2 strokes on each 9. Starting on hole 10 at PNGC, par 3, 155 yards.
Wow.
Nice shot.
Oh, over ka? Anong ginamit mo?
Gamit mo?
Ay.
Akala ko sakto eh.
Oh, 1. Oh.
Nice shot.
Ah, bunker ata.
Over. Ah, sorry.
Go, go, go.
Over.
Uy, nice, nice.
Bunker ka ba?
Oh, ako bunker eh.
Bunker din yata.
Bunker din.
Ano to? Sand?
56 ako. Ayan, thank you. Kasi yung bola ko. Thanks.
All right, Mitch and I have this 20-yard shot for birdie.
Ay.
Nice shot. Ah, nice shot.
Nice. Nice. Ay.
Same lang.
Same.
Okay, so we have that for par. And Drew has his for par as well. Ooh, good putt.
Mabagal.
Regular.
4.
Hello, Fred.
Alan.
Alan.
Sangbula. Is this his brother?
Yeah.
He's also a YouTuber too?
Yeah, I started about a month ago. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, nice that.
We're actually
Clutch.
doing a 2v1 right now.
That's what you want.
So that hurts.
Brother in my life.
Woo! Wow, nice. Nice putt. Okay na ako. Clutch.
Clutch. Buti na lang. Ano,
Nice.
mahirap kasi. Ano rin siya eh.
Oo nga eh, nagbe-break
Left
eh, no?
to right.
After 1 month ng walang golf,
No.
kuha mo pa rin yung speed.
Good holes by both teams. Still no blood after 1 hole. On to hole 2. Par 4.
Shot.
Scrum.
Yung 2.
Ah, new driver. Ay, hindi. Ay, di ba?
Ay, shit.
La.
Di ko nasara. I'm on the right side. Couldn't close their face. So we need Mitch to... Nice. Sit, 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 sit. Stay.
Nice.
Sit.
Sit.
Okay. Nice, nice.
Ang layo.
Buti na lang. Kasi feeling ko yung sa akin
Pero
nasa
grabe
kabilang
rin
hole
yung,
eh.
grabe rin yung ano, bounce.
Oo nga eh. Ito yung second.
Tinatry ko kasing bilisan. Uy! Ay! Wala. Oo.
Oh no. Dapat pala low flight lang ako. Okay.
Nice.
Mali yung aim ko.
Over the bunker. That's long.
Sobra. Oo nga eh, pinapa-fade ko eh.
Sayang hindi
Hindi
nag-fade.
nag-fade eh.
Oo nga eh.
Drew for his second. Shot. Wow.
Nice shot.
Atong na naman ah. Grabe.
So I had good distance, just needed it to fade more.
Go, go! Oh no. Ako.
Nag-look up ako.
Diretso lang siya. Okay. Uy, nako. Laylay.
Ano yung mga 15?
In our fourth.
Doon lang talaga. Nice. Nice.
Short
Go,
pa rin, no?
Go, go,
Ah,
go.
kala ko okay na yun.
3 putts.
He drew for his birdie. Okay. Wow. Take na yun eh. One up.
Shout out to our guy Alan.
Woo! Nice spot. Take it.
That's good, that's good.
Mabilis, no? Kasi pataas.
All right, this is for our bogey.
Pasok.
Wow! Wow! Papat na rin ako. Hindi pa ako nagpapat.
Ayaw nga, no? Patry mo naman yung bagong...
Good putt.
What a save.
Wow.
Nice!
All right, one down through two. Next hole, par three.
Oh!
Siya napunta.
Ay, may chance kami. Parang
All
pa
square.
downhill. Hey! 145. 145. 8 Behind. Short. Nice shot. Go, 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 go.
Ay!
Saan na?
Bunker.
A bunker.
All right, another 20-yard chip shot for birdie. Gonna try to flop this one up.
Ay. 1 up. Bite. Nice. Paano mo ginagawa yun? Yung
Wala,
mataas.
parang mas
naka-open.
confident ako dun eh.
Ha?
Mas confident ako sa flop shot eh.
Tatry
Kaysa sa
ko.
normal chip. Trinay mo?
Trinay ko i-open eh.
Parang pareho no?
Mm-mm.
Design lang. Wow.
Save bogey ah. Ano ba ito? Mabilis.
Regular mo. Hindi ka pa nag-miss, no?
Wow!
Yes.
Grabe!
Hindi pa ako nag-miss.
Wow! Nice spot! Sobrang clutch.
What? Thanks. Galing din yung chip niya.
The match is back to all square after that clutch putt.
Uy!
Onto hole 4, par 5.
All square.
Woo! Okay.
Wow! Sakto yung cut.
Nice shot.
Wala na.
Low flight pa wala na.
And driver as well. I'm gonna try to go for this.
Fade.
Di nag-cut.
Wait.
Malayo pa to, no?
Malayo pa naman eh.
5 wood o... Try ko nga to. Ayan, second shot. I don't know how we got here. But we are here. Oh! Kick left.
Ah. Sige. Nice.
Oh, no.
Ayla. Morning.
Go for the green ka na.
2 up.
Wow!
Nice.
Wow! Go! Ay,
Nice. Sit.
Sobra pa. Anong ginamit mo? 5 wood? Grabe, sobra pa yun. Ilang yards yun? Grabe.
Nice.
A shot. Yeah, third. Taking Mitch's ball.
Ay.
She's just laying up. Okay. Nice. Asa yung bola, Jong? 130. Siguro naman kaya ko to.
Nice. Nice shot.
Parang short.
Go. Go. Sit. Nice shot.
Short pa yun. Thank you.
Ayos. Ang ganda nun.
Oh,
Kala
my.
ko nga,
Solid yung fade, no?
Kala ko sa pin.
Nag-fade siya sa dulo.
Ang lakas.
Wow.
Lakas. Ay.
Wow.
Oh.
Hop, sit. Tama na.
Sit.
Nice.
Parang pang 2 pots pa yan. Diretso lang. Ano yun?
Shooting for birdie.
15?
Nice.
Ay, kabig.
Nice.
Sayang.
Okay. Okay na yun. Kayang-kaya mo nang i-shoot yun.
Go. Ay, nice.
Par.
Nice shot.
Par.
Ayos. Nice pa.
Thanks. So, 1 over pa lang tayo.
Oo
Tama?
nga, 1 over pa lang tayo.
Nice.
Dito, ilan tayo? 4 tayo.
Sure, for birdie. Oh, no! Wow, grabe. Grabe naman yun.
Nice spot.
Sa gitna pa lang, nakita ko na.
All square.
Ay! One.
Drew is back to 1 up after that birdie. On to hole 5, par 5. We get a shot on this hole, so we have to capitalize.
You know. Oh!
Yep.
Tabig ko.
Ganda sana nung draw. Ayun, ganda nung contact.
Nga eh. Safe ka, Mitch, no? Ayun, nag-draw. Shot. Hindi kaya umangat to agad, Jong? 5 wood. Di nag-draw. Di nag-draw. Tingin mo, Jong, ako, 7 o 6? Sige. Okay. Okay lang, short.
So my ball ended up on the other fairway, but we do have a shot on the green.
So if you guys can see, the green is just right in front of us, in front of those trees. Nice shot. Nice. Okay. Sana makuha ko to. Parang sobra. Oy! Sobra!
Galing na.
Dapat pala 8 lang. Actually, iniisip ko nga kung ika-cut ko. Sabi ko, kung i-cut ko naman, baka short. Over pala.
Oh, Roll up.
Ayos yun ah. Ano yun kay Andrew Birdie? Pasok eh. I missed it. Drew shot went in. He held out for birdie from way over there. Nice shot. Solid. Sayang di ko nakuha.
All out.
Nice.
Bala ko dapat, tatamaan ko tong bunker. Magbabounce. Yung ano, lumampas sa bunker.
Sige, ako na muna. Clutch ka sa short game.
Okay, for our birdie. Thought I made it. Now it's Mitch's turn.
Nice. Nice shot. Oh, sit. Sit. Grabe. Automatic. Grabe. Nice fun. 1 over pa rin tayo. Par. Grabe yung hole out.
Kala ko, lamang na tayo.
Kaya nga eh.
Alright, hole 6, yet again another par 5. Mitch and I are still hanging on by 1 point.
Woo. Whew. I need a good drive here.
Nice drive. Lagi maganda drive ko dito.
Oh my. Thank you. Thanks.
Kaya yun.
Oh! 2-second shot. Laying it. A shot. Oh, sakto.
Hitting our second, about 180 yards away from the pin.
Nice. Nice. Nice shot. Mas kaliwa, no?
Gonna try to go for the green here.
Behind eh.
Pero kaya mo yun.
Oo nga, kaya pala sana. Kaya pala.
Drew's third, about 120 yards away.
Wow. Wow, nag-draw pa oh. Oh, nice shot. Grabe. Okay na, nice shot. Kaliwa no, Jong? Okay. Ganun kalaki. Sit. Okay naman yung kuha ko dun, hindi nag-spin.
Okay. Feeling ko hindi ako umikot.
Baka.
Ang yun.
Ganyan. Ang laki pala, no?
Okay pala.
Okay. Tapos bababa na lang yun dun. Umabot lang dun.
For birdie.
Yun, nice. Oh! Bale, clutch ka naman. Ano ba si Kuya Andy? Pating par din. Parang pasok. Oh! Nice. May chance pa tayo.
Are you telling me?
For par.
Go.
Woo!
That's good.
Thanks. Hindi siya sobrang bilis, no, Jong? Oy! Ayaw talaga. Bogey.
Make this. Right in out tayo, friend.
2 over tayo.
Pero ang ganda ng putt mo. Ano lang.
Oo nga eh.
Nasa, yun lang.
High side lang. Wow. Wow.
Okay, hole 7, par 3. Still one down.
Oh! Sobra.
Shot. Uy!
Sobra. Sobra yung ano eh. Thanks. Sobra yung fade. Ay, shot. Short lang ata. Juice chicken for birdie. Wow. Grabe. Ay, shot.
Mitch for birdie.
Ganda talaga ng putting. Shit. Sayang. Akala ko papasok eh. Yun din. Hina rin. Par lang. Par.
Lang, 1 up lang.
Oo nga eh. Oh! 1 up, 1 up.
Sana yung kay Taco.
Ah,
Nakita ko na eh. Nagagawin.
All right, hole 8, still one down. We're still hanging on. Par 3.
uy. Hmm. I'm gonna try to cut it off that marker. Parang short. Ah, shit. Short. Thanks. Grabe naman yun. Papasok na naman oh. Kala ko papasok na naman eh. Ay, shot. Chipping for birdie. Nice. Nice. Ah, mahina pa rin. Mahina pa rin.
Ano yun? Mas
Grabe naman oh. Grabe. Sobrang clutch naman. Par yun no.
it's 100.
All right, for us to have the hole.
Woo! Kailangan ma-shoot ko to. Firm putt. Oy! Bakit? Yung kay Mitch, ang laki ng break eh.
All right, last hole of the video. 2 down.
Ah, shot.
We need to get one back.
Shot! Yeah!
Nice. Ayos. Nice. May plus pa kami dito.
One.
Wow. Oh!
Uh-oh.
No pressure na tong shot ko. I'll try to draw it, I guess. Thank you. Okay, hitting our second. I shot. Safe naman oh, bahala na, hatawin ko na to. Ah, nag-fade. Ayun. Thank you.
Ako walang plus Marunong dun sa water.
Ah, ganun, solid ah. Sayang, di ko nakuha yung mga shots mo. Woo! Solid ah.
Shots ko.
Ooh, go Mitch. Kick left. Nice. Nice shot. Ayos. Nice shot. Hoy!
Hoy!
Ngayon, na-blade ko.
Ano yun, mabilis?
Mau mabilis. So we're putting par net birdie. Ikaw Kuya Andrew, pating ano, bogey. Ganda. Oh! Woo!
Yung para sayang naman yung
Oo nga no,
stroke. Ilan na ba kayo?
3 over.
Sayang yung stroke.
Oo nga. Kailangan maging clutch ako dito.
Yun.
Nice, nice.
Yes!
Clutch.
Thanks.
So that's it for today's video. Through 9 holes, Mitch and I managed to just stay one back. Comment on who you guys think will take the dub. 2 average golfers playing a scramble?
Sana
Or 1 solid player? Find out next week. Peace.
3 over.